Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lulu. In today's video, I introduce BONOSS active cooling with spacers for Ford F150. When do I need to install Ford F150 with spacers?
If you replace a set of aftermarket wheels and tires with the wrong offset, or a set of larger calipers with insufficient wheel clearance, with spacers are the easiest and most effective way to help solve these problems. And if you want to get your wheels flush to the fender with stock wheels, spacers can also achieve this effect. With spacers can help create extra wheel track weight that are fitted between the wheel hub assembly and the wheel to increase space.
This can prevent the tires from rubbing against the fender flares or suspension components when making turns or hitting bumps.
By providing a more even distribution of weight across a wheel assembly, Hubcentric spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. There are two types of custom spacers for trucks, Hubcentric and bloxsport. Hubcentric spacers are designed to fit perfectly around the vehicle's hub, ensuring that the wheel's weight is evenly distributed according to the hub and not the wheel studs. This minimizes the risk of vibrations and ensures a better fit.
BONOSS spacer with multi-stage Hubcentric design. The Hubcentric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers fit the corresponding hub spacers, which the spacer more closely with the hub. Eliminates vibration caused by inaccurate data. BONOSS aluminum Ford F150 with spacers are made of forging process, have higher strength, and are more suitable for driving in different environments, reducing the issue of spacer failure. BONOSS spacers provide high performance, more additional functions, fast customer service, and friendly service, which is your best choice. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS Ford F150 with spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.